Hello, this is me, Anipada from class 8. In today's open house entertainment, I am getting a fusion of chemistry along with some interesting magic. And basically, genie in a bottle is the title of my experiment. Yeah, I know it sounds so cool. So the enchanting fusion of potassium permanganate and hydrogen peroxide prepare to witness the birth of ephemeral clouds swelling and dancing in a mesmerizing display of scientific solution. My name is Roshni and I am from grade 7 day. As a passionate student, I have dedicated myself for covering the wonders of science. And today I am very excited to present to you one of the most encouraging experiments, the flameless. Through this experiment, we will develop a mesmerizing array of colors emitted from various elements on explosive flame.
Share with an exciting experiment element. This experiment is engage and demonstrate everything. This is me, Shamsi, and I am from grade 7. Today I am here to show you the fascinating experiment which name is carbon. I always feel passionate about science, and today I am here to share an exciting experiment that demonstrates carbon dioxide and a major contributor climate change with using household ingredients like soda, sugar, sand, and alcohol.